What's going on, guys? So today I want to talk about ways you can use Junglescout to help you really save a lot of time doing product research and stuff like that. What to look out for. Just kind of go over the basics of what's going on and kind of steer you into the right direction as opposed to using the template that everybody uses. I know Junglescout recently did an update. Like you can choose like high demand, low competition. They're all in there, and if you're using the same template as everybody else, you're probably gonna find a product that's not saturated yet, but it will be in the near future. So I don't want that to happen to you. You just get a product, and then by the time you get it, everybody is selling it, and then you lose your money. So I'm gonna show a couple of things that I look out for when I use Junglescout, and basically what you learn in this video is ways to avoid maybe like 90% of what other people is doing. Like, like everybody wants to do like under a pound or whatever, to save money on shipping or whatnot, but that's not always necessarily the case. You just kind of have to go with the numbers to kind of see how it is, if there's any depth in the cells, stuff like that. So that's basically it. And so without talking too much to myself or to you guys, I'm gonna jump right into it and show what's going on. Alrighty, so here's excuse me, here's the video. Here's Amazon, and let's start with some like these grill gloves right here, or whatever it is. What is it called? Award. So gloves for shedding. There you go. So let's see. Oop, there you go. Okay, so I have the pro version. You don't need the pro version. It's the regular version is fine, but if you need the pro version, go right ahead. Now, as you can see right here, it says high demand and low competition, which is kind of interesting considering that there's like three people right here completely dominating the market. Four people completely dominating the market, and you can see right here it just starts to die off like in sales. So you can see right here on this one. So okay, yeah, it says high demand, low competition. People are like, oh yeah, let's go get it. Wait, a couple of more things you need to look for before you do it. So first thing first, let's look at you need to look out for the revenue, obviously. How much they're generating. So you can see the top two people right here, they're killing it. Look at this guy's killing it, but look at, he has 2,000 something reviews. I don't even know that was possible. 2,000 something reviews. How much did he pay for that? Who knows? But anyways, this one, maybe he's just been selling a long time, right? But we can always check that. Let's see. So you can check sales history. January. So yeah, so he's been selling it for like a year. So you can see he can steadily start growing and growing and growing and growing. So that's pretty impressive. So basically, he's getting what 100 reviews a month. How the fuck is that possible? Oops, sorry, I forgot I was in YouTube. Let's see. Okay, so in this case, you can see right here, sales is completely inconsistent. So you have people that's completely dominating the market, and then there's people that's selling like whatever. You can see right here, there's like $5, $10, and they're selling like for 70, 800 something. This guy, I don't know, maybe they're making like a dollar each, or less than a dollar. I don't know how, like $5, maybe 10 cents. I don't know whichever it is not making enough money, because the goal here to find a product that sells quick and make good profit. Let's see. That my goal personally when I do research, I want a product that makes me around $100, $150 a day. So let's say this one, like this one right here is like 25 bucks, and I make $5 off it every day, which I'm pretty sure is a lot more than that. So I just need to sell 20 a day, and I'm good. Okay. All right. So this is one of the example. Let's look for another one. I'm going to show you 3 examples, so that way you can get a good feel of what's going on. Okay. All right. Let's see here. What else can we look at? Coming from brand. Let's go back up. So let's see. Look around, see what we can have, and let's see. We can look for let's say. Okay, I can't think of anything. So let's go back to over here, department. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so department, books and video. Let's do sports and outdoor. Okay. Another thing that a lot of people do. Let's see. I see a lot of people do. Let's see here. So let's see sports and fitness, right? A lot of people, everybody does sports and fitness. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's try this. Huh. Let's see. Let's go right here. Let's say style matches strength. No, I don't like. I don't really like to do clubbing, so that's why I stay away from it. But you can if you need to. So exercise and fitness. So let's see right here. Let me see. A roller. Interesting. Okay, so department foam roller. Right here. Here we go. So again, we'll pull out the numbers. As you can see right here, Amazon took after the first 2, which is already bad. Reviews are completely over the top, 3,000 and 3,016. So this is oversaturated for sure, but the revenue is really good. You can see right here, 344,000. Even if he makes $1 in each of them, he make $30,000 a month. But this is by Amazon, so yeah. And then right here again, same thing. This one made 53,000. That's pretty good if you even make like $2 each profit with one of these rollers. $2 profit, that's 10 grand in their pocket. So this is what you want to look out for. You want to make sure that you know, there's enough revenue for yourself. So it's not like I usually want at least a couple, like this whole top 10 right here to have 5 digits. You know, consistent it sells. That's what it is. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so let's see. Let's do one more. Okay, I'm just gonna think of one. I'm just thinking about cell phone. Oh, let's do like an iPhone 7, iPhone 8 case, right, or something like that. Obviously, these just super saturated already, so don't even bother looking into it. Okay, but I also want to show you some examples. Okay, again, see right here, completely inconsistent sales. This guy's killing it. This guy isn't. Even though it says high demand, low competition, just don't do it because a lot of time it could be branded item. So you can see right here, this guy that I don't know, however you say that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this guy, you can see he is the one that makes a good amount. This guy, JE Tech, this is a brand actually, so he probably have a lot of external traffic coming in. Whatever it is, that's what it's for. Okay, so reviews kind of off the chart again. You have 2 really good ones, and then these ones are just there. It could be that they started recently. Let's check. Okay, yeah, see, they probably started so recently that I can't even pull up their record. Like, if they've been around long enough, you see you'll pull up a chart right away. Okay. All right. So basically, this is kind of the process I go through how to do the research, and then a couple other things I want to keep in mind is that how heavy it is, how much the feed is. You can go on the FBA calculator and kind of work out and see if it's good for you, if it's not good for you. With the FBA fee, is it worth the hassle of going to make a profit? If it's only like 50 cents a unit, then probably not. Okay, and another thing is, let's see, I think I already covered pretty much everything. So, got the sales. So, just recap real quick: sales, consistent, revenue, kind of attach the same thing. It has to be consistent. Review, super high, can be really high. Try to stay below 100 if you need to, but if you have to, I sometimes go over a little bit is fine. It's just depending on like how the overall thing is looked. Sales priced, again, you might want to kind of make sure that they're all kind of around the same area, so that you're not jumping all over the place trying to figure out what you have to do. And then weight wise, a lot of people is like go under a pound or go over half a pound because shipping's expensive. But if you're willing to wait, you can do sea shipping. You might be able to start venturing into heavier products. That's even like 1 pound or 2 pound because sea shipping is cheap. So um, a lot of people want to do air shipping instead, but it's not needed. You can do sea shipping if you find a product that nobody's doing. It's a little heavier side, but you can source it. You can do sea shipping, and you can make decent profit off it. You can definitely still make money off that product that nobody else is doing. So okay, that's pretty much it for today. Go ahead and if you're on your phone, there's a subscribe button with a bell down below. And if you're on a PC or desktop or Mac, whichever, there's a little emoji or a template that comes up on top of what I'm pointing at right now. And you can just subscribe right there. So every time I upload video, you get an email notification that I uploaded the video, and I plan on doing daily uploads on tips and tricks on how to make money on Amazon. And if there's any requests, just let me know. Okay, in the comment below. Thank you. Take care.